Just a quick hit for you today. The utensils that I made the other day seem to be pretty popular, so I decided to make a few more out of this red oak. This is pretty much firewood I kind of had lying around. I had milled it with the chainsaw, intending to use it for something. Unfortunately, it's quite prone to checking. I made 3 spatulas and 6 spoons. I'm just going to show you the 1 spatula and 1 spoon. For the spatulas, I just turn the shape of the handle on the lathe and then cut them with the bandsaw. For the spoon, I turned the shape and then cut it in half on the bandsaw. I decided that the rotary tool was too tedious to hollow out the bowl of the spoon, so I used the angle grinder this time, just to make it faster and simpler and smoother. I used the disc sander to do more shaping on each of the pieces. And then did some final sanding. Basically just took off the rough edges. I simply finished them with butcher's block conditioner, which is a mix of mineral oil and waxes. And the color just really popped once the oil was on it. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again soon in Cammy's Garage.